So thank you very much. So we are reaching the end of this workshop. So I would like to thank all the speakers, all of you for coming. I think, in my opinion, it has been quite interesting for me, for sure, as I knew more or less the work of everyone that was here, but I learned a lot. I really believe that this is kind of a community that could be emerging. As you know, the topics are quite different. We have seen basically a core ideas about energy storage, but we have seen sensible and latent heat. We have seen dynamic or solid state conversion. We have seen also both terrestrial and space power applications, as well as materials, devices, systems, and even markets. So in just this short period, I think we have covered quite well all the different aspects of this technology or the possible applications that these technologies could have in the future. So concerning the workshop itself, I first want to thank all these people, okay? So you may see some familiar faces. All these people has been working so hard during these days, taking pictures, preparing all the accreditations, all the registrations, coffee breaks, lunch, dinner, buses, lab tour. You can imagine this is a very huge amount of work for some people that has never do this kind of activities, so I want to give a big applause to them. Okay, so we are here because we are working on something similar, and we want to see if we can do something further, if we can build something for the future. So let's think on the next steps, okay? The first question is that, would you like to organize a second edition? I see 1, 2, 3, okay. So, yeah. So, okay, this is a key question. Obviously, everyone is involved in many meetings, many conferences, so we have a lot of compromises. So this is something that we need to evaluate, if it makes sense to make a second edition or not. So for that, we need to fix some ideas first. So, for instance, where and when we could organize this. Obviously, it depends on funding, depends on many factors. So for having a first idea, I will suggest to answer this survey. I will just prepare a survey that I will send you the link, okay? So it has very basic questions about, I mean, how do you feel with it? So we should organize a workshop in Europe, Asia, America, organized together with another big conference or not, just as an isolated event. So let's have an idea about this, and then we can think where and when we could organize this. So this is going to be very short. So you know that we are writing a book out of the talks of this workshop. This is going to be ready in the next few months. So I don't want to commit with a specific date, but let's say but for the next year, for sure, early next year, we will have the book ready. So thank you again, everyone. I really hope that this community is just starting, that we could merge all our activities and challenges in kind of a common objective and vision for these technologies. I think we are solving important problems, and this is the key. So we are focusing on storage energy, and this is the next energetic challenge for the future. I'm convinced of that. So thank you very much, and thank you for coming. And now I want to keep your attention that we will take a group picture outside, so do not run away. So just wait outside. I will take a picture, all of us, okay? So thank you very much, and hope to see you very soon. Bye.